Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the option for notification panel to pop up if we swipe down wherever on the screen. Right now, as you can see, we have our main menu, and to open the panel we have to go from the edge. So settings, then home screen, and here we have swipe down for notification panel. We check this little box right here. Let's go back, and now wherever on the screen we swipe down, the notification panel will pop up. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.